हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू वैल्यू बायर।
In this video, we will let you know about the best interest rates of April 2024 offered by all banks in India. So just after watching this video completely, you will know which bank fixed deposit will give you the highest interest rate. We have divided the video in three categories, means government banks, private banks and small finance banks. Starting with the first category, in front of you is the list of all the government banks in which the interest rate you are seeing in the FD is the best of the best interest rate. Like SBI Bank has the highest interest rate in the 400-day FD. You will not get higher interest rate in 6 months or 1 year or not in 2-year FD, because here we have mentioned only the FD with the highest interest rate of each bank, which these banks offer to you in their different tenures. You can see here that for general public category, interest rate of Indian Bank, Central Bank of India, PNB Bank, Bank of Baroda and Canara Bank is same, that is 7.25%, and senior citizen will get interest rate up to 7.75%, and you will see some difference in the interest rates of super senior citizens. But now let us talk about which government bank is giving the highest interest rate among government banks. So, it is Indian Overseas Bank, which is giving you interest rate of up to 7.30% on its 444 days FD, and it is giving interest rate of up to 7.80% to senior citizens. Here super senior citizens will get an interest rate of 8.05%. Moving on to the next, now you have the list of private banks in front of you, which are giving you slightly higher interest rates in comparison to government banks. Even within this list, the interest rate you are getting in all the FDs of all the banks is the best of the best interest rate, where you can see Axis Bank offers 7.20% on fixed deposits of 17 months to 18 months to general public and 7.85% to senior citizens. Inside, HDFC Bank is giving you interest rate up to 7.25% on FD of 18 months to 21 months and interest rate up to 7.75% for senior citizens. Talking about IDFC First Bank, it offers an interest rate of 8.00% on 500 days FD and up to 8.50% interest rate for senior citizens. Friends, Federal Bank, Karur Vyasya Bank, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank, all these are very competitive and provide very good interest, which that you can see. But now let's talk about which bank among private banks is giving you the highest interest rate. Then it is RBL Bank, and RBL offers interest rate of 8.10% on fixed deposits of 18 months to 24 months FD and rate of interest for senior citizens, that is 8.60%, which is highest among all the private sector banks category. Before moving on to next category, we request you to please press like button and subscribe the channel, as we are putting in lots of effort to give you the best interest rates of every bank every month. Please give your love by liking the video and subscribing the channel. It takes only 1 second, but it means a lot for our motivation. Now moving next, now there is a list of small finance banks in front of you, in which you get to see a slightly higher interest rate in comparison to private banks and government banks, and the interest rate of all these banks is the best of the best. Best interest rate is like AU Small Finance Bank gives you on FD of 18 months. It is giving interest rate up to 8.00%, while the senior citizen it is giving interest rate up to 8.50%. If we talk about Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, Equities Small Finance Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank and Northeast Small Finance Bank, then all are giving you interest rate of 8.50% to general public and with a little difference in the interest rate given to senior citizen. All these finance banks are quite competitive and are giving very good interest rates, which you can see. Talking about which bank is giving you the highest interest rate among small finance banks, then it is Suryoday Small Finance Bank, and if you get a 5-year fixed deposit in Suryoday Small Finance Bank, you will get interest rate up to 9.01%, and if you are a senior citizen, and if you get a 1001 days fixed deposit in Unity Small Finance Bank, you will get interest rate up to 9.50%. Friends, these are small finance banks. The risk in them is slightly higher as compared to government banks and private banks, but still you can invest up to 5 lakh rupees without any fear, because DICGC gives you an insurance guarantee of 5 lakh rupees. I have told you about the highest interest rates FDs of government bank, private banks and small finance banks. Hope you are able to choose the best fixed deposit for yourself, and hope that we are able to make you a value buyer with us by saving your time, money and energy.
Thanks for watching my video. Here is a value buyer signing off.